And this question, it is given that a uniform metallic rod rotate about its perpendicular bisector with a constant angular speed. If it is heated uniformly to raise its temperature slightly, so our aim is to find out what is going to happen on this material. So actually this is a part of some part of question is related to thermal expansion and some part is related to basically the rotational motion. So we are considering that there is an object which is in rotational motion, and here we'll use the concept that if external forces are not acting on the system, if external forces are not acting on the system, then the moment angular momentum of system will remains constant. That is I into omega will be equal to a constant. Now if you are increasing the value of temperature, the value of this I is going to change. Moment of inertia is going to change because the value of moment of inertia of a rod we can integrate something by ml square by 12, and as we are increasing the value of temperature, this L is going to increase. So as the value of length increases, this moment of inertia will increase. As the value of moment of inertia increases, the value of I into omega should be equal to a constant, so the value of omega will decrease. So in the first option, it's given that speed of rotation increases. Now its speed of rotation is going to decrease. Speed of rotation decreases. That is correct. Its speed of rotation remains same. Its speed increases because its moment of inertia increases. Now its speed is increases because moment of inertia decreases. So we can say that this B option is correct.